how we can make this static binding into dynamic binding. So now you can see I could not remove this component from the experience editor. Then we would say it's not a content author friendly site in case if they want to remove these sections from the page, then we can't do that, right? So we can make this component in dynamic binding. So for that, now everything is fine, but we have an option in Sitecore, that is placeholders. If you are using placeholder, then definitely we can add and remove the components from the page. So I have to remove this section and I have to add the placeholders here. So the placeholder syntax is the same, but here we have to use the entering and then placeholder key. So here I am going to use the key of header, and so in the footer section I am going to use the footer, right? So updated, and then we can directly update the file in www root. So adventure src and then project, and then views, sorry, view, and website adventure control C, and then here views, and then website, website, and then adventure, and paste it here. And then let's see in the page in experience editor. Let's refresh. Now I could not find anything here, so I think the reason is there anything should I need to enable? Everything is already enabled, I hope. Yeah, so then refresh. Oh, now I could not see this placeholder section here. So let's try to add the placeholder settings. So for that, placeholder settings, and then in the project we can create our project, that is adventure, and we can create a placeholder. One is header and another one is footer. Here you can see I could see some issues, but I'm not sure what is it. Header item have the same value of place. They should have unique. Mhm. So let's give the name SC header, and SC footer. The same name we need to update in the layout file. Yes, and then SC header. Then copy the file and paste the file here. So now we can try to refresh. But now you can see the header and footer section itself not displaying. There is something happening. So we have created the placeholder settings. Let's see now. Actually, still it's not coming. The preview. Okay, in edit, and then here. Mm, Renting placeholder key. It's correct only. Did some mistake. Um, yeah, this is the syntax. Yes, I hope now it will work. So I know that we don't need a placeholder settings for render using the placeholders in the page. Anyways, I did the mistake in the syntax only. In case if we delete this one, it will not affect our logic. Deleted. So just now I deleted and then refresh. So now you can see still it's rendering. So add here and then rendering and then feature, and let me add a header section. Add a header. Yep. And then footer and add here, and then feature and then footer and select. So if the content author like to remove the component, then they can directly remove the component from here. So it's a dynamic binding. Thank you.